If your Bosch Series 8 washing machine does not want to spin the drum and just stand still, you probably have a problem with either the motor or the control board. More often the defect lies in the motor control board. Open the back cover. Now this is the motor control board. First remove to make check on. Need to be released some cables. At the first look there was a problem. A leak from the detergent tank caused a short circuit in the circuit board and its destruction. Need to be replaced with new one. This is the number for searching for. I have replaced, and now it's back to work.